In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Australia to Nepal. To do this, I would personally use Remitly. I found it to be the easiest and cheapest way. Now, if you want to use Remitly, just go to remitly.com and set your country right here to Australia. And then where it says to, just gonna search for Nepal. Then select it. And once it's set to Australia to Nepal, just scroll down a bit and gonna click on get this rate. Now, if you don't have an account, just click sign up. If you already have one, you can sign in. Then from there, click send money. And again, enter how much you want to send. Then here you can go and click continue. And from there, choose the delivery method. So bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money. For example, I'll use mobile money. Then here, depending on what delivery method you pick, you need to enter additional details. So in this case, the mobile wallet they use. And then you will need to enter their first, middle, and last name. And the recipient's phone number if you are sending through mobile money. Then from there you can select how you want to pay for it. For example, you can add a card, and from there then just enter your payment details, and then you will get an overview with all of the details. You will also see an estimate of how long the transfer will take. So if everything's correct, just go and pay for it, and after you pay for it, the money will be delivered to your recipient in Nepal. So that's how you can send money from Australia to Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.